Hey guys, it's Scott from Home Group Realty. I just wanted to touch on very quickly a buyer representation agreement, or a BRA. This is a document that is signed when you're working and have committed to an agent and a brokerage. There's a commitment on your part as well as our part. And I think the confusion in our industry is the commitment for us and what our obligations are now to you that you've signed this document with us. It's actually quite scary if you don't sign a buyer representation agreement. I know the general public get quite scared because there's a holdover period and there's a commission obligation, but your agent should explain to you very clearly why those things are in there, and there should be no confusion. But the scary part is if you don't sign a representation agreement, and what happens? What are my obligations to you if you choose not to commit to me? And quite frankly, there aren't very many obligations at all. I've included a chart which lays it out as a document signed or not signed, and the obligations which are required. Like when you are working with an agent and you have signed a BRA, there are a lot of fiduciary and ethical obligations that we have for you to make sure your interests are protected. If you don't sign, I actually don't have any obligations, which is actually quite scary. But make sure you understand the documents that you're signing. There is a ton of protection for you when you are working with an agent. And I'm not saying sign one immediately. I'm suggesting you go out, meet a couple different agents. Maybe you see a couple properties and get a sense of how those agents work, and then commit to one that you're happy with, one that you're willing to work with, one that seems to understand your wants and needs and truly explains all the things that need to be explained. So take a look at the chart, go through it. If you have any questions, send me a message, give me a call. I'm here to answer those questions. Thanks.